Okay, so today we're not really going to get into a big lesson yet with our writing or our PBL because before we can start doing that, you have to decide who is my person going to be before we start researching. So, today you are doing a little bit of researching, but more of a who do I want to research and find out a lot of information about. So remember, you're picking someone from the 1900s to the 1980s. You want them to be someone who has sent a message to us. They somehow have made an impact on society, whether it was through music or acting, and it doesn't even have to be somebody that everybody knows. Like, how fun is it to write about someone that maybe not everybody knows? It could be someone in politics. It could be an actor, an actress, a sports person, a teacher, like whatever you literally want to do. So, today you're just going to look for those three questions. Who is my person? What years were they kind of a hit, kind of popular? And then the last question is, what was my person popular for? Like, were they popular because of basketball? And then we'll really get into like the research part of when they were born and telling their story and how they became who they became and what message they gave over the next couple weeks as we're working on our project. So this week is going to be a lot of research, maybe even into next week. But today you have to nail down who is my person. So that is your assignment today. Who is my person? And come fill out that Google form so that I know whose yours is. And I'm going to try to make sure we don't have duplicates of people. But I think with the time error range, we shouldn't overlap each other.